Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of this tutorial. So before we go straight to this design of this mathematical kinetic facade, I just want to make an overview first this diagram that I made in AutoCAD. Okay, so this is the one we followed. Okay, so if you remember, okay, this is in the our markup or even in this pattern this is the U grid. Okay, I want to confirm first. This is the U grid. Okay, this is the B grid calculation, U grid calculation. Okay, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the PA and CP. Okay, the one who move it like this. So this is the A, or this line is this the unknown. Okay, so these two from here to here is the LH. Okay, going in the center point. Okay, so the calculation of the two, okay, it's the H is equal to A divided by 3. Okay, so I hope that this diagram is clear. Okay, so we proceed now in our drawing. So in the part 1, this is not yet normalizing. Okay, here and here. So we need to normalize it this one. But before that, I need to go to family and we need to add a parameter here. Okay, let's call this the PA. Okay, so this is stand length. Okay, so P capital A and hit. Oops. Okay, we already added before. So now this is the HR. Okay, the H capital R instant and hit. Okay, so the HR is calculating this A. Okay, minus the H. So E minus H, and I just simply hit enter. Okay, because we focus in these two, okay, 1 and 2, we need to add a parameter here, okay, instant, and I just simply go first into the number and just call this the controller 1 and CP. Okay, this is the controller to the open and close of this facade. Okay, so I simply hit okay. So now I need to go into the HR base. Okay, but before that, so no any confuse, I need to make a formula first in this PA. Okay, so that the formula that I put here is the square root SQRT double in parenthesis H shift 6 or power of 2 close parenthesis minus in parenthesis capital L H shift 6 again. Okay, power of 2 and double close parenthesis. Oh, the following is not valid. Okay. Is not valid as LH because not yet. So I did mistake here. So okay, I just simply copy this because at least this is the PA minus L2 LH. If you counter check the diagram, okay, LH. Okay. So I did mistake here. Control copy this, delete. So I need to go first into the HR base. Okay, so add new parameter, instant length. Okay, let's call this H capital R underscore base. Hit OK. Control B here and change this into the P capital or P capital A to the PA. So now okay. So now once we have this, okay, we have already here the NCP. Apply OK. So I need to normalize this one. Okay, normalize it into the end, measure from the end, NCP. Let's check it's moving. Okay, so it's moving. So by the way, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, we need to clarify the dimension of this in 0. So 1759. Okay, at least this one is he's moving in and or out, still get the dimension of this 1759. So we need to fix like that. Okay, so I pick also this one. I normalize this into beginning, and this is PANCP. So he's in the 0 because why? If we go here, we need this one formula. Okay, so that formula is in the PA. Control B. Okay, just copy this before, and that is the L. Oh, okay. So the LH, because he is referring to the LH, at least this go to LH. We need to add the LH here. So that is the instant, capital L, H, and hit OK. So now, from the H, okay, from the H, shift 8 times in parenthesis 1 minus the NCP, okay, NCP and close parenthesis and hit OK. So now, we are almost done here. We include also this one, the HRNCP. Okay, so add parameter, okay, instant. This is now the number. So let's call this H capital R underscore NCP. Okay. And this the formula of this one is H shift or caps lock capital R underscore the base. Okay, divided by H capital R. So now already okay. So only one to moving up this this PANCP, we need to go to LH. Okay. So the formula of this one is H or I just missed this one. That is the original one. Okay. Because if we see here PA and the PA underscore NCP. So I missed that one. So almost So this is the PA is this. Control copy, Control B here, and I just change this into capital LH. So now it's okay. Hit apply, and you see he is moving up and hit okay. So now we need to go align here, do a spline, okay, spline, oops, pick this and place a point here, and Control Shift spline, reference line, okay, spline, reference line, oops, reference line, okay. So now we need again to normalize this. Okay, we normalize, I just normalize this into, I want this into N. Okay, you will check it after. I want this into the end, so HRNCP and hit okay. So he's moving like this. I want to confirm first. Okay, this is already done. Once you make done this, almost you got it all. Okay, but I need to overview first here. So we follow this in the PANCP. This is normalizing to PANCP. This is normalizing in NCP and normalizing to HRNCP. Okay, so now what I do now is to verify this leg or the hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay, 1759. Okay, this is the 1759 endpoint 4. So I just change this endpoint 3. And I just simply counter check it. So our formula is working, including in this one. Okay, so now I just simply pick this, okay, and create form, solid form, and I need to go to add to the positive offset and new parameter instant, okay, and I just call this thickness and hit okay, go to family, okay, and change this into, I think 40 is enough. Okay, so 40 is enough. So now we continue it to fix everything, okay, spline, reference line, okay, point element, hit tab, make sure that select the smaller one, okay, spline, okay, spline, change it into reference line, and spline again, and change it into reference line. Okay, so almost we finish here. Choose the option 1 and change this into the thickness. Okay, so we have like this, and now normalize this. Okay, I just normalize this into NCP. Okay, oh, so I just pick this one and pick this also, spline. Okay, I hope that this is not pass. Okay, hit tab, make sure that select the smaller one. Almost the same procedure, okay? The critical only in the first one, of course, because we need to add the parameter and the formula. So, but you have, once you've done this one, okay, This is all, but you have, once you've done this one, okay, this is already very easy now. So I normalize this into the PANCP, okay, and I put this in the beginning, okay, no, sorry, not HRNCP, okay. So pick this, create form, solid form, choose the option 1, and change the positive offset to the thickness that we created. Okay, so pick again this spline, okay, and reference line, place a point, make sure that in the smaller one, okay, spline, reference line, okay, so this is, I'm always repeating here the same, okay, so the same procedure. Make sure that you all change in the reference line, okay. So this is the beginning, this is NCP, okay, okay, I'm right. Change it here again to the thickness, okay. So counter check this, if this is normalized, okay. So again, pick this, create form, solid form, oh, close, spline, change into reference line, place a point, make sure that select the smaller one, line, okay, and I normalize this into beginning PA or HRNCP. I'm always PANCP. Okay, pick this, solid form, okay, change it into thickness, spline. Actually, I overwrite it all, the parameter, because I want to run it in the double option of this one, okay. So I will show you why. Okay, and oops, Control Shift. Okay, thickness and it. Okay, so counter check everything. I just go to top. Okay, and I just go here. I just want to change this into 0.9. Boom. Okay, 0.8. Boom. Okay, I want this one first. Okay, and I just simply counter check this. If you remember, 1759. Okay, this is all the same. And now I want this, let's say, hit tab. I just want to be, so it's look like clear. So go to appearance. Okay, in the material, don't copy mine. Okay, this is only my idea, or I just want to present it appearance, and I just want to check this. favorite asset. Okay, I just go to, I like the color of wood color, this cherry. So it's more clear. So I just go to fine and go to realistic. So okay, okay, I just want to more light. So it's clear to, because we apply this into our pattern, that if we will check it there if this is uh, in line, okay, because it's okay. So once we have this, okay, I just want to place temporary. Okay, I just want to confirm to everyone that this is only the temporary one. Okay, I just want to place a point here, and I just make a circle here, like this. Okay, that is only the guide, because this is only the tutorial. Okay, it's up to everyone. Okay, what you want to make a material, okay, or design. I just want this, it's like this, okay, and I just go to appearance, or sorry, I just want to create, I want to create a new material for this one, okay, and change it into, let's say, appearance. I go to the metal, okay, and I choose this aluminum, okay, okay. So I think this is good in render, but I think this is not good. Okay, I need to change it, this one. I want the white one only. I want to change this into the appearance. It's okay, like this. So now I just simply paste it, because this is moving up and close. Okay, set point. Okay, and make a set again, and just make a circle here. The smaller one. This is only the guide. Solid form. Okay. Okay. So place a point here. I just simply do it this one. Okay. So because if we place there into our markup, at least there is some, but this is not the actual brace of the kinetic facade. Okay. So I just want to confirm to everyone, okay, that this is only the practice one. Okay. So you can do it whatever you want. Okay. So set, okay. You just go to set only. Set, place a point, place a circle, like this, like that only, okay. So okay, and I just simply only there is some brace temporary, okay, to this project. Okay, so I change this into 0.4, okay, 0.5, okay, so it's work. 0.6, apply, okay, I will just go to 0.2 or 0.8. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so we are almost done into this project. So now, to prove that this modeling is, I want to open our pattern, okay, or mock up. Is it? Oh, sorry, it's hanging. Okay, we load this into projects. Okay, save. Okay, and now pick this and search the kinetic pattern base. Okay, so now this is the one. Okay, so this is already our project. Okay, the mathematical kinetic facade. Okay, in Revit. So if you see, that is the why I make a brace here. Okay, so this is that even this is temporary. Okay, is look like more okay. So this is the output of our kinetic design. So thank you to all of you. And before I finish this tutorial, I just want to go back into the here, okay? By the way, okay, I just give you a tip here. If you want to make a closer one of the zero, okay, the zero one, or open it close, do not touch this formula, okay? You can normalize this here, okay? I will show you the proper way, okay? Into the second option, okay, that I experiment, okay? So this is the option 1. I want to show here, this is only quickly tutorial, okay? You normalize only this 1, 2, and 3. If you remember in the finish one, okay, I neutralize that into I normalize that into HRNCP, okay? But this project is I normalize it into PA and CP. He's relying into the PA, okay? But into our design is relying in this part, okay, but me in this length. So if I hit OK and I just simply go here in parameter, I just want to make 0. Boom. So this is open close. 0.1, okay, 0.3, okay, 0.4, okay. So 0.125, it's up to each and every one. And that is the option only. You do not touch these three sides. Okay, that because this is at least always in the length 1759. It depends to the width or in the equalado triangle. Okay, so I hope that I give you a tip to each. This tutorial is a giving tip to how to make a kinetic facade in Revit. Just follow the procedure that I did here, so you can get the output like this. Okay, so if you want to modify it, this, okay, just simply hit tab. Okay, go to pick one more here, one piece here, and go to edit family, and you can edit it if you want it to close and open or like this. So thank you very much. If you like this kind of tutorial, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe so that you're always updated once I make a video tutorial like this.